On May 2nd, 2024, a dryland was in place, with multiple supercells initiating along it. These supercells would go on to produce multiple significant tornadoes. This video documents the northern supercell, where I would document giant hail, beautiful structure, and 2 intense tornadoes, one of which would be the infamous Hawley Texas Tornado. On the morning of May 2nd, the Storm Prediction Center issues a slight risk for tornadoes. The target area was set, as the model showed multiple supercells initiating along a localized sector near Abilene, Texas. At around 2:07 p.m., a mesoscale discussion was issued by the Storm Prediction Center, and at 2:50 p.m., multiple supercells would initiate north and south of Abilene, Texas. There was an ongoing severe thunderstorm warning to the south, but I wanted to stick to my original target as there was a more prolific environment. At 5:30 p.m., a dying supercell to the south spat out a left split. With it was a rear flank gust front, which was picked up from a nearby radar. This left split would go on to merge with the main supercell. The resulting boundary collision heightened tornado potential via strengthening the vorticity along the supercell's forward flank. As the collision was occurring, I positioned myself next to an open field where I would witness several gustnadoes form. After playing around with gustnadoes, I decided to reposition to the southeast to get ahead of the main supercell's motion. But at the same time, the mesocyclone deviated to the southwest. Because of my decision, I was positioned far away from a rapidly developing wall cloud. As the mesocyclone was strengthening, a funnel would appear, and at 6:30 p.m., a tornado was reported. The desire to get closer video, I decided to reposition. As I was getting closer, the tornado began to rope out. Inconveniently, I was in an area with trees blocking a good viewpoint.
Great job, trees. Thank you very much.
Because of this, I only managed to get shaky, unstabilized video of an epic rope out. Supercell was not done, and a new mesocyclone began forming to the southeast. At around 7:05, a funnel was spotted, and the first view vortices began to form. This marked the beginning of the incredible Hawley Texas Tornado. Wow! Why do you have to be right there? Multi-vortex on the ground, and of course we have a freaking splatter right on the windshield where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, this is a great day. This is a great day.
scary one too. Beast. Oh my gosh. Got low tire pressure, okay. Thank you, Ford. hail, Dan. Thank you.
At around 7:22 p.m., the tornado was almost at maximum intensity. With wind speeds reaching up to 165 miles per hour, it would impact a well-built house and injure a family of 4 inside. As debris from the home was orbiting around the vortex, a chaser, Freddie McKinney, would be live streaming when the tornado impacted the structure. He would have rushed the family to the hospital, where they would thankfully recover from their injuries. Hawley Texas Tornado died, but left behind a trail of destruction, with multiple homes impacted. The supercell was not done though, as another mesocyclone began forming to its southeast. But as the sun began to set, the energy for the supercell began to dwindle, and at around 9:45 p.m., the supercell faded away. This outbreak was not over yet, as the following day featured a dry line with a residual outflow boundary. With a volatile atmosphere in place, multiple supercells were expected to initiate in central Texas. What came to be was a powerful show of Mother Nature.